Hello everyone. So one is eins. Zwei, zwei. Drei, drei. Four is vier. Vier. Fünf, fünf. Let's practice. One is eins. Two, drei. Drei. What's that in English? Four. Uh-oh, Olivia. It is three. Vier, four, fünf, five. Can you tell me the numbers in German? Eins, zwei, drei, vier.